Hello everyone, my name is Abdullah Nahian and welcome to my channel Code with Abdullah Nahian. Today we're going to make a new video. So today our topic is portfolio website. So in this video we will discuss how to make an awesome and attractive portfolio website using Elementor and WordPress free version. Both theme and plugin we use all are free, so don't worry about. And if you say about portfolio website, is very important for if you are developer, designer, or digital marketer, whatever you have. If you want to work with client, so you must need a portfolio website. So in this video I show you how to make an awesome portfolio website without any coding knowledge, just drag and drop. So first we have to check our demo site. So first we have a logo part and then menu, a home section, about section, services, portfolio, testimonials, price and contact. Okay, fine. Then we have a banner section like this. Then we have a heading, subheading, paragraph, button. Then this is our about us section. Then we have our like experience and education resume part. We can just showcase here. Then we have our skills part, then services section like this, then counter up, we have testimonials or client reviews part, and we have our latest work part. We can showcase our latest work here. Then our pricing table, call to action, and contact us, and finally footer part. So this is basically our overview of our project. So let's start. So for study this project, I already installed WordPress in my local host and it's fully blank. And while I record this video, so current WordPress version is 6.7. So first we have to go to about appearance to themes. So go to add new theme, and in this project we use Hello Elementor. So just click on install. In time we go to our plugins, and basically we need 3 plugins. So I create 3 new tabs. So one is Elementor, then we can search for Elements Kit, and one plugin WP Forms. So this plugin Elementor, then Elements Kit, install now, and WP Forms. So already installed theme, just click on activate, and in time we can wait for our install those plugin and theme. So we already installed and activate Hello Elementor theme. Now go to plugins and install and activate. Already install those plugin, Elementor page builder free version, Elements Kit Lite for support Elementor add-ons, and WP Forms from plugin. So check all and click on activate and apply. Okay, so those done. Now go to our dashboard and refresh the page. So before start, we have to create our menu part as it is one page website. So first we go to appearance and menus, and we can write here like main menu and create menu. We can suggest for header menu, create. So as it is one page menu, so we have need custom link. So first we have like hash home, and just write here home, add to menu. Then we have about services. So search for hash about, right here about, then hash services, and right here services. Then portfolio testimonials, hash portfolio. Then we can just write here testimonials, and just write here testimonials. And we have price and contact. So just write here hash price link, and just write here price, and just write here hash contact, add to menu. Okay, so all created done, and just click on save menu. So our menu created done. Now go to dashboard, and from here we can go to Elements Kit header footer. So before we start, we have to settings first is first configuration. So you have to check modules. We need header footer, it's on now. Okay, and we don't need mega menu, and elements icon back needs one page scroll, we don't need. And from here image accordion, we don't need accordion. We need button, heading, icon box, image box, client logo, FAQ, fun fact, image comparison, testimonial, pricing table, team, video. We don't need video tab. Okay, fine. And we need progress bar. And from here okay, we don't need anything else. And from here we don't need category list or post list. Okay, we have any block. Header footer, we don't need page list. Header info, header search, don't need. Header off campus. Okay, and from here we need WP forms. Okay, just click on next step, again next, then click next, next, again next, and just click save changes. So our configuration done. Now go to click here header footer. So first we our common header, so just write here header and click here entire site, header type header, entire site, and activate. Save changes. Now click on edit and edit content. So from here we have to settings our primary. For go to size settings, global colors. So our primary colors will be this color, so I can pick color from here, like this color. So primary we can choose this color, secondary color, this one, and paste here. And here this color I think okay or not, we can choose here from like 1A, 1A, 1A. Okay, fine. Accent color we can choose here our like white or primary color. We need another custom colors, we can choose for white and change color to white color. And we need another two color, which is our background color, maybe this one from here. Yes, this color we can use here. Maybe okay. Okay, so color done. Click on save changes. Back here global fonts. So in this project we use Inter font, so just search here Inter and Inter. Okay, secondary will be Inter font, then our third will be Inter, and finally this will be Inter. Okay, click on save changes. Now cross this part. Now we have header part, so we have this part logo and menu. So plus click here and then we can choose equal column, and from align items center. Okay, sorry, we need here actually this one. Yes, now click here align items center. First we need a image, so search for image part, and from here upload files, click here select files and all images here. So I just click here and open. So I uploaded all images. Okay, just click here our logo will be here link. We can custom URL, so we can just here site URL. For now we can just copy this link from here and paste here. Okay, and from the style we can choose element left. Perfect. Now click on name, elements name menu, just click here and select menu, main menu. Okay, horizontal right part, and mobile menu settings. Okay, no need now. Menu height, we can remove this part. Then we could go to here menu item style and choose where we have accent font. Okay, and font weight 500, that's perfect. and here menu item style we can remove all spacing, okay, and add margin left like 30 pixel. And from hover color we can choose our primary color, and active color we can choose primary color. That's perfect. For now we can just click on publish and preview the page. Yes, our header part done. Now we go to our footer part. So footer part like this. So we have to create another menu. So go to here elements kit, appearance, and then menus. So actually we need 3 pages: privacy policy, disclaimer, terms and condition. Okay, so from here we can create actually 4 pages. First we need home page. So just click here home, click publish, then we can write here disclaimer, publish, and then we can write here privacy policy, then terms and conditions, and click on publish. Okay, fine. And from here we can just create a new menu. So create a new menu and right here like footer menu, footer only, and if you hit create menu, terms condition, privacy policy, disclaimer, add to menu. Okay, fine, click save menu. Now we can go to our Elementor kit to header footer and just create new right here like footer, type footer, activate, save changes, and now click on edit and click on edit content. Okay, so first we need one column actually. So from here we can down column, go to style, and we can choose our secondary color. So first we need a menu. From here menu, elements kit name, and we can choose here like footer. Okay, and element center, go to style, menu height, we can remove this part, and from here item style we can choose color to our white color, and typography our accent, hover color we can choose our primary, and active color change our primary color. Okay, that's perfect. From container go to advanced and choose padding like top 50 pixel and bottom 50 pixel. Okay, now click here, we have text editor or paragraph. We can just drag and drop here. From text we can copy this line from here and just click here and paste. So from style we can choose color to our white color, element center. Okay, and from here we don't copy this style text. Okay, and just write here and copy our entity set. That's perfect. Go to style, and from here we can choose text transform, capitalize, click publish. So our header footer done now. Now remove this part. Now go to our first we have to go to settings and general. So we can just write here like portfolio website, portfolio website, and we can write a slogan, trusted solution for next project, something like this. And from here we can choose here. Okay, fine, click save changes. Now go to here reading, and from here static page and select our home page to home, save changes, go to permalinks and post name, save changes. Okay, so this part done. Now go to our pages and we can create edit page, home page, and create edit with Elementor. Now from page settings we can choose to our page layout to Elementor full width. From here go to top part, we have 2 equal column. So from here we can 2 column and vertical align middle, and go to style, we need a image. So from this image you can choose this one, and here position center, display size, cover, and from here we can choose a image, and from here image we can choose this one. Okay, fine. Now we need this text, so copy this line from here. We need a heading, change to H1 and paste here. Then we need this subheading, copy this line, duplicate this part and paste here, change text to like H4. Then this is our text or description, so we can add a text editor and drag and drop here and paste. Now we need this part, so for this we need to add another container, so just drag and drop here. Okay, and first we need a button part, button, and for text contact me, and add social, so search for social icons and drag and drop here. Perfect. So from this column container we can choose direction row, okay, and align center. Okay, fine. So we can first this part, so click here style and change to our primary. Okay, fine. We can choose font weight like 800, font size like 50 pixel or more size like 65, and color change to our secondary color. Just click here style and from here we can choose secondary font and font weight like 600 and text transform to capitalize and change color to our secondary color. From here style we can choose here, okay, font size like 22 pixel or 18 pixel. I think this 16, 17, 18. Okay, now click here from this container, go to advanced and remove all padding. That's perfect. Click here this button and go to style and typography is okay, and from here we can choose text transform uppercase. Okay, fine. Now go to hover effect, we can choose background type and background color secondary. Okay, now click on this icon and go to this icon. From here go to style, change to custom color, and from here we can choose secondary color and primary color to transparent, and from here we can all padding 0. Okay, font size 20 pixel and spacing. Okay, fine. And from here icon hover we can choose secondary color primary. So click on publish, then go to advanced, and here from this container we don't need this bottom padding, so remove this part, and from this section we can add padding 0. Okay, top bottom 0 and top we can add 80 pixels. For now we can adjust menu later. So click publish, click on preview. Okay, for now, so we have to this sticky header. So for this we go to our elements kit to header footer builder and click on header, edit with Elementor, and from this here we can add, go to advanced, and from here we can choose position fixed and gen index like 99. Okay, click publish. Okay, like this. So for this here solution we can add like 50 pixel top and bottom 20 pixel. Click on publish. Okay, like this now, and it's okay now. And from here we can add padding 80 to 120. Okay, fine. And from here we can choose style, background color white color, publish. Okay, so this is sticky part. Okay, nice. And then we have this this part. So from here we can call here equal to 2 column, and advanced we can choose padding top 80 pixel and bottom 80 pixel, and we need a image part, so just drag and drop image and we can choose this image. Okay, and go to style and choose border type solid 2 pixel and color primary 3 pixel and border radius 25 pixel. So from here we can choose like 25%, and from this here we can choose like 60%, 25 and 60%, 70%, yes. And from here, sorry, we can choose to this like 35% actually, yes, 35, and then we can choose here like 55, 35 and 55 or 55 or 60. And from here we can choose margin left like 30 pixel for gap. So we have a subheading. So remove header part and go to here plus icon and add a heading and change to H4 and paste here. Then we have this text, copy from here, duplicate this part and change to H2. Okay, we change to H4 and this text to span. Then we have this text, so copy from here. So we need a text editor, just paste here. Then we have need list, so search for list icon, list, list icon, list, and drag and drop here this part. So our first will be like name and icon will be user, so paste this user. Then we have a email, search icon for envelope, then we have age, so icon will be like age or number, something like this. We can choose for number, something like this, or this one for example. Then we have this phone number, so copy this line and duplicate this part and paste and click here for phone icon. And finally this job holder, duplicate this part, search for job or employee like something. For now we can set an example like this. Okay, this one. So all data are currently done. Okay, so from here we can go to style and change font size to like 30 pixel or 45. Okay, and from here color change to our secondary color, and here go to style and font weight 700, and this here we can go to style and divider on like 20 pixel. Okay, and vertical line middle center. Align self center. Okay, fine. So click on publish. So all this part is done now, and check changes. Yes, it's nice. Now our third part, this like this, education and experience. So just click here plus icon and equal to column and go to style and choose image. So from here choose this image, and here we can choose position center, display size cover, and go to advanced. We can choose padding top 80 pixel, bottom 80 pixel, and search here. We can search here like H4 like this, education. Copy this from here and paste. Experience. Okay, now we need a container actually, yes, we need a container. So click here, we just drag and drop here container. Yes, so here we need a heading, then heading paragraph. so we can duplicate this part and we can add a paragraph, so a text editor. So from here heading we can choose like span. Okay, it's the main heading, so change to H4. This will be like our span. So our text will be like computer science. Paste here, copy from here and paste, and then copy this text from here and paste. Okay, fine. So click here. So we need a style. Go to here, background color to our white color, and we can choose border. So we need border solid, only left side like 3 pixel, and primary color 3 pixel, and go to advanced and padding like 25 pixel. Okay, that's great. And color choice. Okay, so click here style, and we can choose here our secondary color, and here font size 22 pixel, and this copy this click here and go to here, change color to our secondary color. Perfect. So duplicate this part 2 times and 3 times. Okay, then we have bachelor degree. Copy this line from here, so just click here and paste, and this subheading. Then we have a master degree, and copy from here. Now duplicate this column and remove this part, and from here we can just write here front end. We can copy this line from here and just click here and paste. So cut this line from here and click here and paste. Now this one, senior developer, so copy from here and this line. Now we have this full stack developer, this section part, and click here and copy this line from here and just click here and paste. Now from here we can go to style and change color to our secondary color, text transform to font size 700 and font size 22 pixel, like 32 pixel, and copy style and paste style and just write here experience. Okay, so just click on save changes. So our this part is done now, our resume part. Then we have our skills part, so we have a section heading and like this one. So for this, so click here and we can choose here like this part. Go to advanced, padding top 80, bottom 80, and remove this part, one column, and first column we can change to width to 100%, and from here advanced, and we can margin bottom 60 pixel. Okay, so we have a section subheading, plus icon, and then we can click here span. Then we have this line, copy from here and we can add a heading, paste here and change it to H4, and copy this line from here, and from here we can add text editor. Okay, so from this here column we can choose here layout, then center and center. Okay, so click here, we can go to here, text transform capitalize, then we can choose here color change to our secondary color, and click here, go to style, and where change to font to 700 and font size like 40 pixel. Okay, click here and go to style and alignment center. Perfect. Click publish. Now we need our progress, so search for progress bar. So we can use this one, sorry, not this one, this progress bar, and from here we can choose a tooltip circle, maybe. Yes. So first here HTML CSS is 90%. So click here, and here HTML CSS 90%, and we have 4 items. So duplicate this part, 2 3 3 4. So copy from here and paste, then duplicate 2 3 4. Then responsive design are 95%. So click here, 95%, maybe 96, okay, for example. Then JavaScript jQuery 77%. So click here, 77%. Then domain hosting 85%. 85%. Then we have a responsive design 98%. 98%, and then WordPress CMS 91%. Then testing and debugging 88%. Like 88%, and then we have our support 90%. So click here, the suppose 93%, and paste here. So click here. So we have to design this part. Go to our style part. You can change height 2 pixel, it's okay. And border, track number, we can choose here title. We can choose like secondary font, and font weight like 500. Then percentage, we can choose color, typography accent, and background color primary. Track, we can track background color to our primary color. Okay, fine. And we have bar, we have height, we can margin bottom like 20 pixel. So copy from here, paste style, then paste, so not paste, paste style, and then paste style, paste style, paste style, and then paste style. So I think this part is okay now. So click on publish. Okay, let's check. Yes. Now we have this our this part. So for this we go to here, so plus icon, and we can choose here like this part here. Yes. So we can go to here and just click here, style, background image. You can choose this image, go to select, and here position center, display size cover, go to advanced, and padding top 80 pixel and bottom 80 pixel. So click here, we can choose like 100%, and here from here we can add margin bottom like 60 pixel, and here we can choose like 33.33%. Then here and click here. Okay, so repeat this part, 4 5 6. So we can search for icon box. So we have icon box, elements kit, this icon box. Okay, equal height enable, and read mode, we can enable this part. Okay, so copy from here and paste, copy and paste, then again paste, then paste and paste. So from here we can copy this line from here and paste, then copy from here, paste, and copy this from here and paste. And from here we can copy this container and style, paste, style. Okay, that's fine. So change color to our white color, and click here and change color to our white color, And what I do, and click here, content, and paste. Then my services, click here, my services. Okay, fine. And change color to white color. So from here we can write here, like we can copy this text for all box. So click here and paste. Then third box, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Now we can choose here like web design. We can search for code icon. So we can choose this code and paste. Then we need web development. So icon, we can search for laptop. Then we need UI UX design. So click here, we can search for pencil icon. So we can choose this icon and this heading. Now we have branding design. So search for rocket. Then we have app development. We can search for phone icon, like this smartphone, and paste here. And finally our support. Click here and change to our like clock icon. We can choose like this one and just paste here support. So go to style part, and from here we have padding. We can choose like top, like 30, 25, I think it is okay. Then content. So from here padding is okay. Typography we can choose primary, okay. And color change to our secondary color. Description to our text color, and typography will be our text, okay. And here margin we can bottom like 30 pixel. And icon we can choose icon color, okay. Icon background type solid, and we can choose 2 pixel, and color will be like secondary color. And we have any padding options, padding like 10 pixel. Border radius we can add width height, line height, border radius like 20 pixel, and change color to like hash triple D light color, yes. Now we have button part. So button we can all padding 0, and from here typography we can choose accent and change to our text transform uppercase. And from here text color we can choose primary color, and background color we can choose to our transparent color. And for hover we can choose color to our secondary color. That's great. Now copy from here, paste style, paste style, then paste style, paste style, and paste style. So all this part is done. Click on publish and preview the page. Yes, it's nice now. Now our next part is a counter section. So click here and plus icon. We can need 4 equal column. Then go to style. Go to style and background type. We can choose our this image. Then background position, position center, and space size cover. And go to advanced, and we can choose padding like 40 pixel or 50, and bottom 50. Choose here our icon, counter. So copy from here, copy and paste, then paste, then paste. So we have 3 plus years of experience. So just click here, 3 will be sufficiently plus, and click here. Then 250, 15 plus, Then happy clients 230 plus. We can choose like 120 plus, for example. Then awards winner 12. Okay, so click here, go to advanced, background, change color to white color, layout, change to 15 pixel or 20 pixel. Click here, go to style counter, number gap like 5 pixel, and number we can size like 60 pixel. Okay, and this title we can choose here like secondary font and font weight like 500. So copy from here, paste style CSS, paste style and paste style. Click on publish, and we can increase our padding like our 70 or 80 pixel top, 80 bottom. Publish. So let us start our next part. So next part will be our testimonials. So like this. So for this we can copy this part from here. Just copy, and here we can just paste. Okay, fine. And here we need actually one column because it will be slider. So remove this column from here. Remove this part. Remove. And search for testimonials. This will be our testimonials, and design will be like this. Okay, so we can choose here maybe this one, or which will be a suitable icon, and then this one. Okay, which design, maybe yes, this one. And from here we have to add 100% full width, and from here click here and this pencil icon and go to settings. We need to choose slide to show 3 items. Okay, and go to layout and testimonials. Currently we have 3 items, so we can copy this from here, same description. So from here we can just paste. We have actually few spaces. Okay, so copy from here, and we can duplicate 4 items. Okay, so second items will be our this part, then our third will be our this part, and will be our fourth. So we can just paste here. Okay, so first will be like John Doe, for example, John Doe, and his client avatar, we can choose this one. Then we can add a one like Martin Creel. I just put for dummy example, so this one. Then here we can add like David Moon, this one. And finally we can add like for Michael Clark, and this icon also will be like this one, for example. Okay, now go to click here settings, style, go to style. So column gap is okay, padding, and we need don't any border area, sorry, box shadow, we can just remove 0. Okay, and we can border solid 1 pixel, and we can light color like #DDD. Okay, nice. Now we have description. We can from here text color, and typography will be text, and rating it's okay. From rating here, margin right, review margin bottom like 30 pixel. Okay, icon, we can choose icon color to our primary color, and font size. Then we have client section. For client, we can client color, we can choose secondary color, and then we have our secondary font. And from font weight, we can choose 500. And from here designation, we have done designation for now. Okay, and client image, we can choose border type solid and border width like 2 pixel, and color change to our primary color. Click on publish. So all this part is done now. From settings, we can enable our dot section. So we can enable dot. Okay, so go to settings, and for dot, we can dot spacing, we can increase like 75 pixel, and border. Okay, active color, we can choose background color to primary color, and normal color, is active color, background type normal, we can choose to our secondary color. That's perfect. Click on publish. And for this, we have to increase our space margin bottom, so we can make it double, like 140 or 160. I think 160. Okay. And for this, testimonials and client opinion, so just click here, we can just write here client opinion, and just click here and paste. Done. Click on publish. Now we have our next part, this latest work section. So we can copy this part from here or duplicate this part, and we can add a background color like F1, F1, F1. Okay, yes, nice. Now click here, why hire me. So copy from this text here and paste my latest work. So you can repeat this part and duplicate. We need a container actually, yes. So we can here just write here like 50%, and duplicate this part 4, 3, and 4. Parent section, we can here direction row, and wrap, yes. We can no wrap and wrap. Or we can add one, we can choose as a container, yes, this will be, I think, okay. Or duplicate this container, I think is perfect, will be. Okay, so we can remove this part. Actually, we need gallery section. Search for gallery and basic gallery. So we have image 1, 2, 3, 4. So create new gallery, insert gallery. Okay, so column will be 2 items, and go to style, thumbnail, we have full size. Okay, go to style, and we can choose custom, we can increase more like 30. Border solid, we can choose like 2 pixel, and color to our secondary color. From border radius, we can increase more like 20 pixel, and click here, it will showcase light box. That's perfect. Click on publish. So how to show this title or caption? So I show you a technique. So go to media. So from here, this is our project 4. So we can just here caption like project 4. We'll just write here like project for example. Then we have 3, so you can just write here like project 3. Then we have like project 2. Then we have project 1. Okay, and from here we can refresh the page. Yes, these are show here. Okay, so for this style we can go to style part, and for caption we can choose here like text color, our secondary color, font weight will be our primary, font size like 20 pixel, 22. Yes, perfect. So this will be our done now. Click on publish. Now we have our next part. So we have to latest work. We have paste here. Yes. Now we have our pricing section. So for this, actually, yes, we have margin bottom. As we copy this part, so we can just write here 80 pixel. Yes. Okay. Now click here plus icon. We can choose here like this part. Go to advanced, padding top 80, bottom 80. Okay, so we have to copy from here. We can copy this here from copy and paste. Okay, and we can choose this column to 100%. Perfect. And this column we can choose 33.33%. 33.33%. Okay, then next column we can choose here, and third column, so we can search for price table. So just search here price, anyway create pricing table, just drag and drop here, and from here features we can choose list, and from here button just right here like purchase now. Okay, and icon we can search for cart icon, and after. Okay, now we have this basic part. Just click here header and basic, and we have icon part, so we can header icon, so we can search for light. We can just check here which icon it was. Bold, yes, this icon, then basic, and this text price will be 9.99. Then we have price tag, we can choose dollar, 9.99 per month. Okay, then features, so our first item will be like front-end builder. Copy from here and paste. Then regular support, then white labeling, then 1 year of updates, finally 24/7 support. Okay, now click here, go to style, and background color we can table title. So we have a table title, we can choose to our secondary color, and typography will be primary. Okay, and we can choose text transform to uppercase, font weight 700, font size increase size like 30 pixel. Okay, now go to table subtitle, we can choose to our text color and font to our text. Okay, and font size like 15 pixel, 14 pixel. Okay, now go to our header icon, we can choose to our primary color, and we can size, increase size 80 pixel. Okay. Margin bottom, we can decrease margin bottom to 0. Padding 0. Sorry, padding will be like 15. Perfect. Now go to our price tag. So price tag right, width we can increase size. Okay, default is okay. Width, padding, and bottom margin typography we can choose here our secondary. From here text color and duration, everything, current symbol. Background we can choose background color to our primary color. And from our price, duration, currency symbol, we can choose here like 600. Yes, now nice hit. Now go to here our features part, and from features we can choose here like our secondary font weight like 500, and font size 16 pixel, and list style okay, and color show secondary color, and here margin bottom like we just need here like margin bottom 30 pixel. Okay, and from here button, price subtitle, icon, price tag, features, we have a spacing, margin top, and list gap 15, pricing, margin bottom 0. Okay, then price tag, we have right, width, padding, margin bottom. Yes, we have to decrease. Now it's okay now, and from here we can click here and price body and price title, go to advanced, and padding we can padding bottom like 30 pixel. Yes, now go to our button part. So click here and go to style and button, and from here we can temporarily like accent font. Then we have chose like uppercase. Then here go to alignment, color, background type, and then primary color. Okay, when hover background color to our secondary color. That's perfect. So copy from here and paste, then paste. So our will be like professional. So click here, we can just change here professional, and here we can choose icon, fire, and our premium. Click here, premium like rocket, and our price tag will be 99.99, and click here and click here this icon, and price tag we can choose here like 49.99. Hide this panel. Okay, we can copy this from here and go to here, type is subtitle, color, price body, price tag, price button. So we go to advanced, and from border we can choose solid 1 pixel and hash triple D. Okay, that's nice. So copy style and paste style, and we have to change maybe this icon, and we can choose like rocket, this icon. Okay, nice. So click on publish. So our pricing table is done now. Then we have a call to action part. So for this we can add a plus icon, and we can choose this one, and from here we go to style and background type, classic to color to primary, and go to advanced, and padding like top 60 pixel, bottom 60, and from here we can just add a heading part. So plus icon and add a heading, and paste here and change to H4. Then we have this text, duplicate this part, paste here and change text to P tag and add a button. We can choose this button, and from here we can choose layout, Elementor, center, vertical center, and here this icon, from click here, change color to our white color. Then text transform, capitalize, lowercase, capitalize, font weight like 700, font size 30 pixel, and just click here, go to here and change color to white color, and font weight, font size like 20 pixel. Okay, just click here and here this part, contact us, contact me. Go to style and element center. Okay, and typography, change color to our accent, and here font text transfer uppercase. Okay, and go to here, background color will be white color and color will be our primary color, and where hover, change color to our secondary color, and color change to our white color. Sorry, this is your secondary color and color change to our white color. Yes, that's nice. Click on publish. So all this part is done now. Now we have our final part, this contact form. So first we have to create a form. So go to WP forms, add new, and just write here like contact form, and we can choose here like a blank form. Okay, so we can choose here like our name. So just click here name part, and from advanced go to here and choose here large, and this will be our we can here, yes, height level. So you not height level, have sub levels, yes, or you can remove part. Then go to here, add fields, add field, and then we need a subject. For we can choose here like single line text. So just click here and change here like subject, go to advanced and width to large. Now we have add new field, we can choose email, and from here go to click here, go to advanced, and here we can large, and finally we have this button, go to settings, submit. That's perfect. Click save changes, remove this part. Okay, so first we have this part section, 2 column, like we can copy this part from here. So our first is get in touch, click here, then we have a contact with me, click here and paste, and now we can remove one column, and here we can write here like 65%. Okay, and this 67%. Okay, fine, remove this part and remove this part. Now we can search for icon box, and just drag and drop here. So first we need address, and we can search for map, this icon, and this will be our address, and this is our address. Then stick and paste, go to here and center. So duplicate 2 times, 3 times and 4 times. So from here we can just write font and this phone number. So from here font, we can search for font icon, we can search this font right here, font and this number. Just click here for mobile, and insert and search here, right here, mobile, and paste. Finally we have email. So click here, we can search for envelope, and right here email. Okay, so click here, go to style, and icon size we can size to like 15 pixel, and from here content, and from here we can primary, font weight, okay, text transform uppercase, font size 20 pixel, and font weight 700 pixel, okay, 700. Okay, from box we can I is placing 10, and here 5. So copy from here, paste style, then paste style. Okay, fine. And this one we can choose to here, go to advanced, and align item self center. So we can search for WP forms. So you can just drag and drop here and select form. Okay, refresh the page because already created form, but it's not show here. Just select the form. So we have contact form. So from here we can choose here style, this image, parent 25. Okay, and go to style, we can button style change to our primary color, label style it's okay, field style that's perfect. And from here we can choose style, and here we can add border solid. We need only border left like 3 pixel, primary. Click on publish and check here. Okay, so this part is done now. Now we have to connect with menu to our every section. So for this, like this part, so click here, we can search for here on widget menu anchor. So just drag and drop here, and remember when we create our menu part, appearance to menus, here check the main menu, we add a custom link like hash about, hash services. So we need this. So this is about, so just write here only about, no hash, right here without hash. Okay, so copy this part, resume, and we have then about skills services. So click here and paste services, then we have portfolio, this will be our testimonials, then we have our portfolio, then we have our price. So just click plus icon and add price, and then finally our contact. Click here contact. So publish, refresh the page. So here click about, this about section, service, portfolio, testimonials, contact. That's perfect. So we have to connect all sections with our menu part. Now we have our final part, we have to done our responsive part. So go to again elements to header footer. First we have to done our header footer. So I can just open two page both now. And we have add a page. So go to our pages and home page, edit with Elementor. Okay, so plus icon, this is perfect. Okay, mobile, and here we can choose here, like here percentage, we can choose to percentage to 30%, yes, and from here we can choose percentage to 70%. That's perfect. So this part is done now. Go to footer and go to tablet. This will maybe breakdown, we don't need mobile breakdown, and from here mobile menu settings. Okay, now our home page. Now go to our tablet section. So from here I think it's okay, this part is done. Okay, then we have this part. Yes, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, we can choose here like 50%, so we can just here to choose to percentage. So search for 50%, copy this part and paste style, and then paste style, paste style, paste and paste. Okay, same for, we can choose here paste style, 2 column. So we can here column, we can flex wrap. Yes, now it's okay. Testimonial is okay now. Section is okay. Pricing, I think we can add like 100%. Actually not 100%, actually we have to decrease our size. Go to style, table title, we have size to like 30, we can size 20 pixel. Now go to our subtitle, we have currently we can choose to 10 pixel, 14. Okay, now go to our icon. So icon current size is now 80, we can size 50 pixel or 50. Okay, now it's okay. So copy style and paste style, paste style. Okay, it's okay and it's okay now. Perfect. Now go to mobile part. So from here style, our current font size is now 65, we can just write 45. Okay, and it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Nice, this part is okay, it's okay. Yes, so our site is fully responsive now. So click on publish and preview. About service, yes, all is done now and work perfectly. So this is our project. Hopefully you like it and enjoy it. So thank you very much for watching. Stay with me.